Hola mi gente, it's Dina with another video, and today I am planning to go to the park. Hopefully these boys want to go to the park too. I made myself a little tuna wrap, and I have some grape juice with me, and the boys have chips. First I'm gonna go to this park. We've been to this park multiple times, and after that we are gonna go to Dollar Tree and probably buy them a little snack or something, you know. Hopefully they're not drained from school, because I am picking them up from school, and hopefully they want to go to the park. So boys, are y'all ready to go to the park?
Yes. Oh, we going to the park?
Yeah. Then after that we're gonna go to Dollar Tree and get some snacks.
I got the sick movies. Well, he was. Oh.
Like always, we're here at our favorite park that we like to come.
I remember this girl used to wear like the eclipse glasses.
Yeah, the last time we came here, she had the eclipse glasses on. This time she doesn't. Look at the flowers, they're so pretty. That's why I like coming to this park, because of the scenery and the flowers. Little fishes just swimming around.
Oh no! No, that fish is not.
Look at these two barking at the fishes. Y'all scaring her.
What's it?
You say y'all doing too much for me. And here we have the two twins. The caterpillar in the water. There's another one.
That caterpillar's alive!
It is. You were trying to grab it.
I'm scared. Oh no.
Don't step on it. Added this new area right here. They got some little chairs, and then they have a turtle over there. Sit down for a little minute. Water. You need any more water? Alright guys, so we are on the other side of the park. There's two sides to this park. One side is the floor part, where it has a whole bunch of flowers and water fountains and little waterfalls and different things. And it also has like a little library. They're still working on the big library. Hopefully the big library opens up soon. That way, you know, me and my boys can start going to that library and, you know, checking out books and stuff. So now we're at this side of the park. This side of the park has benches where you can eat, have picnics. They have barbecue pits, trash cans. They have one restroom. And they also have like a play area where you can play. I'm going to go ahead and eat inside my car, because this park tends to have a lot of bugs and stuff. So I don't want to have no bugs inside my food. So I'm going to go ahead and eat right now. Let me show y'all what I'm going to eat. Alright guys, so I got me some Frito chips. And I also have my my wrap.
What the?
So this wrap has chipotle tuna in it, and then it also has, I added onions and tomatoes and onions, tomatoes, hot sauce, and then I added some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So this is how it looks, and it has lettuce. Well, the sun is like not making it look that great, but yeah. So it's a little concoction that I made. Hopefully it tastes good. Let's try it out. That is good. I ain't gonna lie, some concoctions I've been making, it be nasty, but that's good. Then I have some grape juice in here. Right now we're just chilling because it is pretty hot out there. So we decided to take a little break, eat some snacks and stuff, get ourselves hydrated, and eat some food because it's 91 degrees outside, so it's very hot out there. You can't be out there just doing too much. We also didn't walk the whole entire park. We walked like half of the park where the flowers were at. So. Then I also added some Chick-fil-A dressing, the creamy salsa one. So instead of adding mayo, I did that instead because I was like, I don't feel like buying more mayo. And then also I was like, I got that at home. That should taste pretty good. But yeah, I've been using that creamy salsa for different things, and it's been pretty good. Like yesterday, I made some tacos and added that creamy salsa. It was so good. But this right here, I'm definitely gonna make this again. It was good. It's good. And then the hot sauce that I used for this was the Yucateco hot sauce. Wanna go down the slide, Eva? Alright, so one thing I gotta say about this park I really like is that there's a lot of trees, so even though it's hot out here, it's, you know, very cool at the same time. So we didn't spend that much time out here though. We spent like about probably like 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. But now we're gonna go to Dollar Tree and we're gonna buy some drinks and possibly buy some other stuff that we might like or see. So, y'all excited about that?
Yeah, but first, English or Spanish. Whoever moves first.
Harvesting the tough takes too long.
Mainly came for them to look at these toys right now.
Oh!
Hopefully they find something that they like and they can play with. It's not gonna last long, but you know.
I say, what is this for? Can we get some toys?
Yeah, get something that you like and that you're interested in.
Oh, this is a baseball. Oh,
Oh, it launches a baseball. They got some little toys for girls over here. Little playhouse.
Can I get a toy?
Oh, they got a little kitchen set. Kitchen set for mamas.
Oh,
Let's see. Oh, they got a little Peppa Pig.
Mommy, how do you use these?
Peppa Pig?
Ain't you go like
Yeah.
this? Ain't you use this to go like?
Yeah. It's a flute.
Mommy, ain't you know how to do the
Oink,
flute?
oink, oink, oink.
Mommy, this sounds so fun.
Look at y'all doing too much. Come on.
Get up.
Some books. Some coloring books. Crosswords, Sudoku. Ziki, Eli, come on. Then they got some stuff for classrooms.
You.
This is cute. A little nurse set. Doctor play set. You got the glasses. Different things. Syringes. Thermometers. And they also have this right here. That's cute. For a little. I decided to get this shower curtain because I need a new one. And then I also got this floor mat. It says this is our happy place. I need a new floor mat too.
This was banned, right?
Dollar Tree sells pillowcases now. Apparently. Satin pillowcases.
I'm gonna show Eva herself in the mirror.
That's
Hello,
crazy.
Eva.
That's